Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am not doing a makeup tutorial. I'm doing a makeup demonstration. I'm testing out the products that I got from my Boxycharm. I posted that video unboxing everything for you. So the first product I'm going to be using is going to be the Pure Midnight Massacre face palette. And this is what it looks like. I did swatches in my last video when I unboxed everything for you guys. And I also got the It Superhero Mascara. This is my first time trying it out, so I'm really excited. And the last product we're going to be using for this video is going to be the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Bow and Arrow. So if you want to see what I thought about these products, please keep on watching. So I think I'm going to go in with this bronzy shade and apply it to my crease since I'm not seeing any other transition color. This is a little too shimmery for my crease. Instead, I think I'll go in with this plum shade and work this into my crease. I'm going to go in with a little bit of pink and just pop that right on top. Everything's blending really nice. I'm going to go in with this blue and pack this onto my lid. Now going in with a fluffy brush, blending brush, I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that purple in between the blue and the crease shade. Actually, I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going in with a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to add that in between. I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and just blending everything together. All the shadows layered really nicely on top of each other. I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. That's actually really pretty. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with this shade. I think I'm also going to add a little bit of purple. I'm going to try popping this color into my inner tear duct. Going in with the same highlighter shade, I'm adding this into my inner tear duct. Looks so much better. So I added a little bit of my Inglot Blue eyeliner number 205 into my waterline. I applied a little bit of eyeliner off camera. I'm not going to do any fake lashes or anything like that because I want to test out this mascara. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. Now going in with the mascara, this is the Superhero from It Cosmetics. So this is what the wand looks like. The mascara looks really good. It's not clumping my lashes and it's combing everything through. So I want to see if I can build it. So I applied 3 coats of mascara onto my lashes. I actually didn't double dip at all. So both sides I did 3 layers, what was on the product. And my lashes are not clumpy. So I'm going to apply a little bit onto the lower lash. So this is what the mascara looks like on. It did a really good job lengthening and separating everything, and I noticed that it wasn't clumping up at all. I did mess up and add a little bit too much product on the lower lash on this side. So that's the only area where it looks a little clumpy, but that was my fault. So like this so far. I don't normally splurge on mascaras only because I wear fake lashes and I toss it out every couple of months. So now we're going to work on the rest of the face. I already added my own bronzer just because right off the bat this is a little too shimmery to contour my face, so I just wanted to leave that as is. But I'm going to use this shade right here and highlight my face. I'm so impressed with the pigment and the color of this. I saw it and I didn't think I was gonna like it at all, but look how pretty that is. And I'm using the same shade to highlight my nose. I'm gonna add a little, very small amount of this pink and pop that onto the apples of my cheek. Oh, that is pigmented. Okay, so I added a little bit too much blush. So I'm just going in with my face brush and just buffing everything out a little bit. Okay, so the last steps is going to be the lips, and I got the bow and arrow from Kat Von D. I don't really know what lip liner to do, so I think I'm just gonna apply Max Whirl. So it dried down a little darker. It is a little bit more cool tone nude. I think I can change it up with depending on what lip liner I was using. I just didn't know which one to use right off the bat, so Whirl was just a safe bet for me. I do want to see what this looks like with a little bit of gloss. So this is what the lipstick looks like with a little bit of lip gloss. I added my Fenty Glossbomb in the Fenty Glow, which is the original shade. It's the universal one. But I don't know. I don't hate it. I don't love it. Maybe it's because of the lip liner I used with it. If you guys have this color, let me know what lip liners you use to pair it, but I will check my collection and try this lipstick out with other lip liners. So mini little verdict, the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Massacre face palette I thought was absolutely beautiful. I don't think this one is a bronzer. I'm pretty sure this is a highlighter for a deeper complexion. This highlighter is absolutely beautiful. It's what I have going on here. The blushes are extremely pigmented and the shadows go on really well and blend well with each other. And what else? Okay, so the mascara I absolutely loved. I thought it was really great. This is really not something I would pick up because I'm a drugstore mascara girl. I swap my mascaras out every couple of months, so I don't like really splurging. Plus I wear fake lashes. And the lipstick, the formula feels really good. I let it dry down and it wasn't sticky, it wasn't uncomfortable. And I even added a little bit of lip gloss to it, and I don't see the formula changing. The color, I may need to figure out which lip liner works best with it. This is a little more cool tone. Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's just not something I'm used to since I like going for more peachy nudes, but I do like the formula, so I am going to definitely play around with this a little bit more, and I'm definitely going to keep using this. So that was my really quick review. Like I said, this is not a makeup tutorial. I just wanted to try the products out and see how well they blended. I have to say, out of all the colors, This highlighter surprised me and impressed me the most. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. I thought it was going to be a little more champagne and more cool toned, but it pulls really gold, and I just thought it was absolutely beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick review and demonstration on the Boxycharm products, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.